You guys, welcome to the channel. So I have decided to give my YouTube channel a little bit more seriousness, and as it is my hobby, I want to pursue it even further. Have decided to get some gears to start my auto blogging, and the first one I have decided to buy is a gimbal. And after going through lots and lots of YouTube videos, review videos, asking few AIs like which gimbal would be good, so this is one of the best gimbal in the price range what I have decided to buy. So I have already unboxed it, but yeah, I just want to show you guys how this gimbal is. And yeah, if you want a review like how to set it up for the first time or how is it working, and there are few features in this which I had to also go through the manual and ask the AI or see some YouTube videos, so to learn how to use this. It seems little complicated, but yeah, it is not that complicated if you learn it, and it may take up to 5 minutes to explain everything. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. Let me just go ahead and start unboxing. So you get a pouch, a nice cloth pouch to keep your gimbal here when you're traveling. So yeah, it's a DJI OSMO Mobile 7P. So it has few models, OSMO Mobile 7 and 7P and 8, and there are few others as well. So this is the 7P. So USB-C to C to use it for charging, connecting mobile or charging mobile as well. This is the gimbal itself. And here, this is the cable, USB-C to C. This DJI gimbal, you can directly connect your DJI mics. Let me show you. And here, let's get ready. Okay, this is the mobile holder, magnetic mobile holder, and this is the module. So it has a camera and it has a light, and you can connect it. Make sure you are connecting it like this, and when you have to connect it like this, and to start it you have to press the M button. So yeah, to switch it off, press the button again.